Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to run a brand track survey, a tool that measures how your brand lives in the minds of real consumers and how that perception shifts over time. Every research study starts in the calendar. This is where you'll launch your brand tracking survey, just like every other project on consumr.ai. Click New Events to begin. This kicks off the wizard that walks you into quantitative research and then into standard survey. Next, click New Research Study. This opens the full menu of research types available inside consumr.ai. You've got two paths to choose from. Quant gives you the hard numbers, percentages, rankings, comparisons you can cite with confidence. Qual goes deeper into the motivations, barriers, and emotions behind consumer behavior. Today, we're going Quant. Inside Quant, choose Standard Survey. This family houses the platform's most rigorous templates. Pre-built frameworks for brand tracking, segmentation, media consumption, and more. Click Start Study to launch. Standard Survey is built for structured research where the methodology matters just as much as the speed. Select Brand Track as your survey type. This approach tracks how awareness, favorability, and competitive positioning shift over time. Brand health, measured longitudinally, not just as a one-off snapshot. Now select the competitors you want to benchmark against, or click Recommend to surface additional options from your category. Brand tracking without a competitive context only tells half the story. Competitors are sorted into 4 types: direct, head-to-head rivals; indirect, adjacent players competing for the same wallet; aspirational, brands your audience admires; and emerging, newer entrants gaining traction in your space. Click Select Segment to confirm your competitive set, and begin defining the audience whose brand perceptions you want to track. Pick a segment or AI twin from your eligible panel. Pre-modeled consumer profiles built from real behavioral and demographic data, so your brand health findings come from people who already mirror your actual market. One important safeguard here. AI twins, also called segments that include brand names in the inputs to create their persona and memories, are automatically flagged as ineligible. This prevents brand bias from contaminating your results, ensuring every response reflects genuine, unprimed consumer perception. Click Select Survey Type to confirm your segment and move to Distribution Review. One last configuration step before launch. The distribution preview shows exactly how your panel is composed. Full transparency, so you can catch imbalances before they distort your brand health findings. The default distribution is modeled from category penetration and brand market share. A realistic starting point. But you're never locked in. Adjust based on your specific brand tracking objectives. Stage filters let you dig into the nuances. Do about-to-purchase shoppers perceive your brand differently from loyal customers? How do unaware prospects respond to your competitive positioning? This is where those answers start. When done, click Create Questions to generate the brand tracking survey template. Click Conduct Meeting. Once to launch, your respondent panel runs the survey in parallel, delivering brand health data in a fraction of the time traditional tracking studies take. Track progress live from the Calendar or Knowledge tab. You'll get an email the moment your brand tracking report is ready. Once the survey is ready, you can use the action bar to toggle between insights, summaries, and full transcripts. Built-in filters let you slice results by age, gender, income, region, or consumer stage. Segment-specific brand perceptions and competitive dynamics that aggregate data tends to hide. Explore the detailed brand health analysis. Awareness funnel breakdowns, favorability trends, competitive share of consideration, and sentiment shifts. Exactly how your brand is performing relative to the market. Toggle between the Brand Track Report and the Distribution tab. One gives you the strategic insights. The other gives you the raw survey responses behind them. Full visibility into how every finding was built. Inside the Distribution tab, review the methodological backbone. Total respondents, statistical metrics, and question-level breakdowns. The rigor that ensures your brand findings hold up under scrutiny. That's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.